All right, guys. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and try to make a diesel stove. Diesel stoves are a very significant piece of kit for the prepper to have. And, sometimes they can be a little bit out of the price range, right? They're still available for like 60 to 90 bucks. But for some people, that is out of their price range. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to take one of these little soup-based bottles and we're going to try to make a portable diesel stove with this. Why would we want to do a diesel stove and not like an alcohol stove or whatever? Well, most of the world's street vendors still to this day use diesel stoves to prepare food for people out on the streets. This is something you come across all the time, all over the place in Asia. And there's a very good reason for that because diesel is a very good fuel source. It's very cheap, and the amount of BTUs that you can produce per ounce is extremely significant. It's very high up there. So we're going to go ahead and try to make one out of a tiny little jar like this. Stay tuned.
This project is very dangerous and should not be attempted without adult supervision and adequate precautions in place.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and do this. Sorry in advance for the messy work area. I failed that part of shop class. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and try to chisel out these chevrons here just with a normal chisel. And, as always, make sure you have a pair of safety glasses. All right. All right. Cut through. Nice straight line, real easy. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do this all the way around, and I'll get back to you in just a second. All right, guys, so now that we got all of our chevrons cut out here, we're going to go ahead and just push them up. All right. Now, what this is going to do, theoretically, is that it's going to push each rope in the opposite direction from the other ropes. So this is going to be a 4-burner stove. Okay. Now let's finish it up. All right, so for your wicks, you got to make sure you use 100% cotton. Don't use nylon or polyester or anything like that. It's going to melt on you. All right, just pull it through here like this, and then close that little tab in there on it. Okay. All right, so you don't want to fill it up more than about a quarter of the way. You need a little bit of air in between the diesel fuel and the lid. You want to leave a couple inches of space there. You don't want to fully submerge the wick. All right, so just about a quarter of the way full. So we're just going to go ahead and just drop those in there and twist it on. And we're going to wait until the diesel soaks up to the tip of the wicks here, and then we'll test it out. All right, now let's wait until the diesel fuel soaks up into the cotton ropes here. All right, guys, so it looks like the ropes adequately absorbed the diesel. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so it looks relatively good initially. What we'll do now is we'll go ahead and test this out for an extended period of time, because what we want to make sure that we prevent from happening, we don't want this glass right here to break because it gets too hot, right? If that happens and the diesel fuel spills and then it catches on fire, then that's a very big fire hazard. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that in. We're going to put this inside of a metal container, and we're going to see if it'll stay lit for an extended period of time. All right, so we've got it in this metal container now, and we've got our fire extinguisher just in case things get out of control. So let's go ahead and see how long it'll burn. See if it'll stay lit for a sufficient amount of time. Go ahead and get out of the way here. Get ready just in case. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's an easy way to make an expedient diesel stove. Looking back at the results, I think I would probably make it out of a bigger container next time, preferably a metal container with a metal lid. The flames really started to die down around the 2.5 minute mark. I don't know if that was a problem with not being able to adjust the cotton wicks, or if it was the fuel that was not going up the wicks fast enough. Maybe there was a little bit too much airspace in between the fuel and the wick. I don't know. Either way, I'm happy with the results. I think that we can make minor adjustments to that system to make it more efficient next time. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want to support my channel, there's a link in the description box where you can do that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And as always, don't forget, help out your neighbors.